Hi guys, welcome back to Xperience, and today I would like to open my laptop. This laptop, my Alienware 15R4, for the first time in 2 years. Now, why would I want to open a laptop? This is just for you guys if you're interested in opening your laptops. So, as you all know, laptops have their cooling fans. As you can see, this is the grills here. This is for sucking air, fresh air, up to the components and then blowing out back here where the heat will dissipate. And this is important especially for a big laptop like this one, and it's a powerful laptop, it's a gaming laptop. It is important because as you all know, dust will accumulate inside the product and the performance will be crippled if there's too much dust, and you cannot just have the same performance and you lost a lot of your gaming time, you're just frustrated. And that is one reason why you would open a laptop up. And the next one why I would like to open is because I bought an expansion. So this is an M.2 card. For you who don't know, M.2 is this card, M.2 card. This is from XPG, and it's a 512 gigabytes. Now, I have a 1 terabyte of hard disk, and I also have 128 gigs of M.2 for boot drive. But both of them are getting full, but not really. The hard drive still have like 200 gigs, but I want to put a lot of apps in this drive because using M.2 it means that you have faster speed throughout the experience. So that's why I want to install it. And why 512 gigs? I want this to be future proof because this is my father bought this for me, and I would like to treasure this more because this is likely to be my last present from my family, especially from my father, because I have graduated from my bachelor, yay, and I am now studying master's degree, and then maybe I will be thrown into the harsh, cruel, cold world. Now, setting those aside, so let's first open up this puppy. So, maybe just for disclosure, maybe you don't want to open it because certain manufacturers have warranty that lasts for like 2 years, 1 year, 3 years. Now mine has been expired because I bought this in November 2018 and it's now December 2020. And the warranty only lasts for 2 years, so now I can freely open this one up. And let me check it. Now, my laptop only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. So let's open them up. Now, bear with me guys, this is gonna be the uninteresting part of the video. To be mindful, you have to know that whether each have different length or sizes. Now I don't think these are in different sizes. As you can see here, I think this is quite the same length. Now, it doesn't matter if it has the same length, but be mindful, maybe some screws in your laptop have different lengths. recommend you have like guitar picks, because sometimes it can be hurtful to see. It's harder than it seems, because I haven't seen any reference yet just how to open this one up. Just assume that screw, done. Now I have some LEDs on the side, and this is making me nervous because I don't want to destroy them. I don't want to damage them. Should I have been seeing tutorial videos? Maybe. But, you know, just I want to do this by myself. Why is it so hard? For disclosure, I did stop and I did watch the video, but it's... oh my gosh, wait, is it because of this one? Now with all the screws out, let's hope that we can pull this out now. I really hope we can. And it's really windy out there. Oh, shoot. Why are you so hard to open? We did it! Oh my gosh! Ooh, that doesn't sound good. Ah, yeah. Ooh, this sounded really awful. Wow. That's better. And we open it. Oh, that's disgusting. Wait. No, never mind. This is so. From what I can tell, yep. So these are, as you can see here, these are covering the RAM slot. So yeah. So let's now talk about what's inside. Are we in frame? Okay. So I'm sorry, I'm not gonna be looking there, but I'm gonna be looking here from my phone. So these are the RAMs. These are the RAMs. So this is upgradable RAMs. I have 16 gigs, dual channel 8 gigs, and it's run at 2400 megahertz. I'm thinking of also upgrading this one to 32 gigabytes, but I couldn't find the RAM stick, so we're gonna leave it at that. Why would I want to upgrade? Well, that's because this is Alienware and there is something wrong with the RAM management, and I would like to increase it. I know it's the long route, but hey. And this is the hard drive, disk drive. I still have this. This is 1 terabyte, and this is the boot drive. This is 128 gigs. And so this is the 2 slots. I have 1.5 slot. I'm not sure why. And this is PCIe SSD only. This is the one that I will be inserting with my new purchase. And then it's this one, XPG 512 gigs. Now I think I was supposed to unclip the what's it called, the battery, but I think even without doing that will be fine. I hope. Let's hope that I don't destroy the computer. No, not you. It cause enough trouble. No, you. But I think, yeah, I think you're actually more appropriate this time. Now, installing an SSD is quite easy. You have a screw down here, so it's hard not having an upside top-down view. Can you focus on this part, please, phone? Okay, this is too small again. Screwdriver is screwing me all over. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Now, let's try to open this. Ooh la la. Up. And you're out. Now, ooh, let's not destroy this. So, if you're wondering, I bought this for 1,500,000 rupiah. I know it's quite expensive, but I don't know. I'm still a conventional guy. I still buy from an actual store, you know. So yep, it's gonna be like this. So as you can see, this one has, come on, focus. Hey. As you can see, this one has the notch down here, and it's the same as its correct. It is in the same manner as the notch in down here. As you can see, come on, why don't you focus? Oop. Okay, so you can see this is also a notch with the same size, so you just insert that there. As far as I know, that is just how it goes. So let's see. And it is. So the next one you need is just to screw back the screw that is on the bottom of the M.2 slot. And actually it is quite hard if you don't have a magnetic screwdriver. But yep, I just got it down there correctly, and let's screw it back. And there's another knowledge for me. I just know that my screwdriver has a magnetic end, so I don't have to put it manually like that. But hey, now it is inserted. I will clean this up just after this. I would like to know first if it is installed correctly. So let's put this back first. I'm not screwing it up at the moment. And let's just hope I can pull it out again after this. But can't you just... Okay, wait, fine. Just have it your way. Now, I am going to start it, but everything looks good. Yeah, and my camera is dying, so let's hope that it can still record until the end of this video. I'm really nervous, guys. Let's hope that it can read. Oops, sorry, there's too much stuff here. Gosh darn it. Why? Now I have to make a clarification. I didn't know how to install it, so I've looked up in the internet. Now I understand. So, of course, when first time you open up file managers, there will be no this first in the area. So first of all, you have to open up settings and just I'm not sure where did I know devices. No, it's not devices. So system. Yeah, I'm system, storage, and manage storage spaces. And you can create new pool and storage space. Yes, and then there will be a new one. As you can see, this A data. I'm not sure where the A data comes from, but it is this one. Yep, so A data from A data technology co.ltd, and you just have to create pool, prepare the drive letter. You can just put whatever drive letter you want. We have the C and the D, so the next is of course will be an E, but you can put it P and others in. Yep, I'm not sure about this all other ones. Total capacity and the maximum will of course be 476 gigabyte also. Yep. Two-way mirror storage, write and copies your data. Now just simple. Yep, simple one is fine.
and storage can be larger than amount. I don't know about this one. So it's just you put in the amount that you require and then just create storage space. Storage empty, and now you can see that voila, a new storage. And oh my god, just how satisfying does it feel to see an empty storage like this. So it's not as easy as I thought, but it's not really that hard. You just have to have more research on what to do.
So, with some magic, with a lot of effort, I've managed to install it correctly on my laptop. And thank you guys for watching and for accompanying me in disassembling my laptop, my first ever time opening up a laptop. And like and dislike as you like it. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you on the next video. Actually, when the first time I end this video, I haven't got it to work yet, so I will be working on it now. I will put it in the video when I am done doing that, and then we will know the result and the complete set. So catch you in the next video.